How to manage your Gemini privacy settings on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control what data Gemini collects and how it's used. First, open the Gemini app on your Android device. From there, tap the menu icon at the top left of the screen to open the sidebar. After that, tap your profile at the bottom of the sidebar. At this point, tap Settings to open your account preferences. Following this, tap Privacy Settings to open your data and privacy options. From here, take a moment to go through each option available so you know exactly what's being collected and what isn't. After that, tap Gemini Apps Activity to control whether your conversations are saved to your Google account. At this stage, toggle it off to stop Gemini from saving your activity going forward. Following this, if you want to also delete your previously saved activity, tap Manage Activity and delete everything from there as well. Finally, if you want a full breakdown of how Google handles your data, there's a link to Google's privacy policy available in this section that's worth reading through. That's how you manage your Gemini privacy settings on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.